have a drink that comes with it. So you got like a chocolate powder or electrolyte powder.
But
So yeah, you put water in this. It's got like a little seal. So you'll pull this, put water in it, shake it, and then you can drink it right out of this. This is probably applesauce or pumpkin puree. So you just you rip the seal and then you just eat it like this. Usually you'll get like a carb or a bread, some pepperoni pizza. Comes in here. It actually looks like this one's not. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's no heatable in this one. Any of you have a different one? Can I see that one? Yeah, that one doesn't have a heater in it. I got it. So depending on what meal you get, right, you can heat it up. So if it comes in this like green bag, this is heatable. So most of
but
the
that
meals,
one is not, because that is not a green bag.
correct. So like if it's in the brown bag, you can't heat it up. But the heatable ones will come with this heat pouch. So if you grab some water here,
Only
I'll show you how it works.
Water.
Yeah, if you grab some water, like water fountain again. So to heat it up, all you do is you'll add water to this and you'll seal it. So it has instructions here, right?
Okay.
So remove the MRE, tear off the top, which is what I just did, and then there's a fill line right here. So you don't want to put too much water in there. You'll go ahead and pour the water in, and you'll fold it, give it a little shake, and then it does get super hot. So it comes with one of these. It's like I was about to say it's like a hot pocket. Yeah, it comes with this protective sleeve, right? And so once you heat this up, you'll put your heated bag in there, and you'll put it right next to your food.
Okay.
And then you'll let it sit for a minute. Go ahead and flip it and get all sides evenly. And then once you open this up, open up long ways, you can eat it with a spoon or a fork, and it'll be perfectly hot for you. So this one's beef goulash, but you've got pastas, you've got chicken. There's a bunch of different meals you can get. And then some of the bags that you'll get. So you saw the one beverage bag, right? But this is a hot beverage bag. So
Okay.
you can
flavor.
exactly, yeah. You can this one you can heat. The other one you can't heat, but this one you can heat. So let's see what it comes with.
Okay, this is a pizza.
These are good. It's just cookies. The applesauce is good. And then, so this is like a different one, right? Orange flavored juice. So you get like a chocolate one, there's a coffee one, orange, lime, all that kind of stuff. It's like an electrolyte.
This one is chocolate.
Yes. Yeah, this one is orange. So it's like kind of an electrolyte powder.
Oh, it's ionized.
Yes. Yeah. So.
How to wanna show you May ganito ba kayo? Or wala? What's in it that makes it very hot? There's a chemical,
I'm not sure, to be honest. I really don't know.
but I think it's a chemical.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So it takes a minute. You'll see it starts to smoke.
Oh, it will smoke.
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. So you can already feel it's starting to get. You feel it's starting to get like a little warm. Going over MREs a little bit.
That's good. Did you
So
find any snacks in there? Yes. We're having a tutorial right now.
We're having a tutorial. It's our first time.
There you go.
So
Oh, he's videoing you too, so don't mess it up.
It's super, a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure on me right now. So here, be careful, but if you stick your hand in there, you'll feel how hot it gets. Yep.
that's hot.
And then, so then you just take your meal, you'll go ahead and slide it in there, and you'll let it heat up
it's
for
like
a few minutes, and then you'll flip it. So you can feel this is hot, really hot. Yeah, so you just give it a couple minutes, and then you'll flip it each time until this kind of wears out, and then your meal will be perfectly hot for you, yeah. So it's pretty neat.
But still you can eat it even if
You can eat it cold
reheat
as
it.
well, yeah. Most people do, because like a lot of times,
Yeah, it will take
a lot of times if they're in the field, you might not have time to heat it up, right?